Hi, I'm meteorologist Mack here outside. Beautiful day right now. Temperatures in the low 60s. Not quite as warm as yesterday, but we could see some more 60s later in the week. I'll give you a full update in about 5 minutes. Well, Liz, I'll tell you what, it is going to be cold outside. 0 degrees in Fargo right now, 9 in Minneapolis, and 29 in Chicago. That cold air will be moving into the area later this week. I'll have your full forecast and update in about 5 minutes. 22 degrees for a low tonight. Chances of snow. Winds from the east at 10 to 15 miles per hour as that low pressure moves off to our south. For tomorrow, expect highs around 28 degrees. Flurries early with that snow departing the area. 42 in Chicago and 37 in Pittsburgh. I'll have your full forecast and updates on the weekend game here in Valparaiso coming up in about 5 minutes. Look for temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, almost 50 degrees. That'll be very nice. No jackets needed, mostly cloudy and mild. For tomorrow, 45 degrees, a chance of rain. So make sure you bring your raincoat or bring your umbrella in the morning to work, as your commute back home will be rainy. For your 5-day forecast, for Tuesday, 45 degrees, chance of rain like I said before. 54 on Wednesday, warming up with some sunshine. Thursday, a chance of rain for St. Patrick's Day, but you can still go out there and celebrate. Just be responsible. 47 on Friday, 47 on Saturday. So enjoy your weekend and your upcoming work week. Expect to bring your raincoats out and your umbrellas for tomorrow, as this rainfall will not cease. Off to our east, our temperatures are much warmer as that warm front lifts north into the northeast, bringing that warm air advection and that warm, humid air out of the Gulf of Mexico, causing that instability and popping those thunderstorms. Quincy, it was very nice yesterday, but it was humid as well. Temperatures in the mid-80s into Chicago O'Hare Airport, also in the mid-80s in Valpo. But as we look at our radar right now, that cold front has sagged off and moved to the east. And we have tornado watches up in Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, as well as into the deep southeast. We have some very moist conditions, warm air rising up from the Gulf of Mexico and causing that instability. Looking at our wind speeds as well, we're going to see definitely some winds out of the east into the Valparaiso area, as that warm front is still to our south, but as it lifts northward, it'll see a southerly breeze, bringing that warmer, more humid, juicy air into the area, bringing that chance of heavy rainfall for tonight. For tomorrow, 42 degrees, mostly sunny, warming up pretty quickly with the winds from the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. All of your full forecast coming up in about 5 minutes. Good afternoon, VU. It is beautiful outside today, 60 degrees, warm weather yesterday, still warm today, but moderating quite a bit. Temperatures in the low 60s, mid 50s later this week. I will have your full forecast coming up here in about 5 minutes. Thomas, certainly we've had a lot of severe weather over the past couple of weeks, numerous reports. We'll probably see more reports coming out today as this severe thunderstorm watches in Tennessee, and then we also have tornado watches down here in Texas and Oklahoma. A discrete cell actually moving to the east of Dallas. There is a tornado warning on that cell. Also, we have a squall line moving off to the east, bringing damaging winds and large hail to the area. We're going to move on north into our area as this moisture plume moves northward. The warm front will lift north through our area. Temperatures will go up, and we will see some very heavy rainfall tonight. Could we see severe weather? I'll have your full update coming up. Well, Thomas, for the public and as well as for meteorologists, this also means that we have some heavy precipitation and rainfall moving northward in the area. As I mentioned before in our quick forecast earlier, we have this moisture plume moving to the north out of the Gulf of Mexico, bringing that heavy rainfall, that juicy air, and a chance for thunderstorms for our evening commute. For our regional temperatures, it's 68 in Indianapolis. It's 79 out in Pittsburgh. Look at the northeast. Warm, humid air surging northward into Buffalo. Buffalo still south of that warm front, temperatures into the 50s. Expect temperatures to warm in our area as well overnight as that warm front moves north. For our current temperatures in the Chicago region, it's 65 in Champaign, it's 59 in Muncie, and it's 59 in the Valparaiso area. For our current wind speeds, it's calm in Lafayette, believe it or not. I don't understand that, but we'll find out soon. Valparaiso east at 14 miles per hour. As that warm front lifts north, those winds will shift to the south and bring warmer, more humid air. 59 right now, overcast conditions, winds out of the east at 14 miles per hour. But as I said before, as that wind shifts to the south, we'll see that moisture plume move north, and we'll see some heavy rain for your evening. For tonight, temperatures in the mid-50s. Heavy rainfall as that temperature rises with some thunderstorms and winds out of the east at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tomorrow, 63 degrees, rainfall in the forecast, winds out of the southwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour. So bring your raincoat and your umbrella. Certainly, these April showers are going to bring some May flowers, Thomas. 63 on Tuesday, 54 on Wednesday. More showers and thunderstorms for later in the week. On Saturday, 66. Friday, a beautiful day, 60 degrees. But expect more unsettled weather for next week. Back to you, Thomas.